This is the Infinix Note 30 VIP and this is the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G. Both of these smartphones support 5G connectivity and offer almost similar specifications and value for money. But with the Infinix Note 30 VIP being priced around 233,900 Naira and the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G being priced around 295,000 Naira, which is better or which is the best value for money? Well, in this video, we will find out. So without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Sharpslot here. In today's video, I'll be comparing the Infinix Note 30 VIP and the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G. Yeah, already I have compared the Infinix Note 30 Pro and the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G. You can check that out by clicking here or by clicking the link on the description below. So first thing first, let's start off with their designs and build quality. The Infinix Note 30 VIP and the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G comes with a very awesome innovative design and build quality. With the texture leather on the rear of the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G gives it a matte finish and also makes it look pretty cool and attractive. Though the Infinix Note 30 VIP still offers a more premium look and feel with a glossy finish. The glossy finish on the rear of the Note 30 VIP will literally attract tourists, right? But that should be the least to worry about. So now let's talk about their displays. The Infinix Note 30 VIP and the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G sports similar displays. Yeah, they both sport an AMOLED 6.67-inch display panel, a high refresh rate of 120Hz with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The Infinix Note 30 VIP supports one big color, that is for a vibrant and vivid image on screen while viewing content on the device, and also you should get a clear and vibrant image result while viewing content on the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G. Both devices comes with an IP53 rating for dust and splash resistant, not water resistant. Still not the best IP rating though, but yeah, it is cool. In terms of processor, both devices are powered the same chipset. Yeah, both devices is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset that supports 5G connectivity. You know, the Dimensity 8050 5G chipset is a 6nm built-on process, and the lower the nanometer, the faster the processor will be. So that means both devices are capable of playing intensive graphic games without having any glitch. And also, with the help of the 120Hz high refresh rate, you should get a haptic response and smooth performance while scrolling on apps or navigating on sites on both devices. The Infinix Note 30 VIP has a storage size of 12GB RAM with 256GB of ROM and a virtual RAM of 9GB, while the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G comes with an internal memory storage of 8GB RAM with 512GB of ROM and a virtual RAM of 5GB. Both devices comes with a dedicated micro SD card slot for further memory expansion, so you don't need to worry about space constraint or limitation. You got it covered on that part. Now let's talk about their software. Both devices runs on Android 13 as from their boxes, with the Infinix Note 30 VIP being based on SOS 13 and the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G being based on HiOS 13. Basically, both devices does come with bloatware and ads, but you can easily disable them on the Tecno device. The Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G will get an OS update of Android 14 when it is out, but on the Infinix Note 30 VIP, it might not get one. So Infinix, please, we need an OS update. As for the camera aspect of both devices, the Infinix Note 30 VIP supports 108MP primary camera, 2MP depth sensor, and 2MP micro lens. While on the other hand, the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G supports 50MP main camera, 108MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP depth sensor. Both phones cameras can record videos up to 4K resolution, and also both devices comes with a point-show selfie camera of 32MP. Like I do always say, megapixel can really tell how sharp an image can be, but certainly the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G will produce more better quality results. You know, the Camons are always known for better cameras. Both the Infinix Note 30 VIP and the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor, and also both devices houses a decent battery capacity of 5000 mAh. So here is one unique feature of the Infinix Note 30 VIP. The Infinix Note 30 VIP comes with a reverse wireless charge of 50 watts. That means this device can charge wirelessly at 50 watts. This is pretty cool and one of the major selling points of this device, obviously. The Infinix Note 30 VIP has a higher charging speed than the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G. Yeah, it supports 68 watts fast charge and while the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G supports 45 watts fast charge. So with the Infinix Note 30 VIP being priced around 233,900 naira and the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G being priced around 295,000 naira, I think the best value for money is the Infinix Note 30 VIP. But what about you? Which is better? Just let me know down below the comment section. So guys, here comes the end of my comparison video between the Infinix Note 30 VIP and the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G. Just share your thoughts on the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to always get notified whenever I drop a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you all on my next video. Peace.